Hello there, it's me, Natalie. New year, still lazy. I love the kitchen. I love cooking. I love all that stuff, just not every day. I need easy recipes. Thumbs up if that's you as well. These are the recipes that have helped me lose weight fast. All of these recipes are under 10 minutes. They're super easy, they're tasty, they require no cooking. Hallelujah. If you can cut, if you can chop, if you can mix, you are good with these recipes. Also, a huge shout out to Noom for sponsoring this part of the video. Noom has been super essential in my health journey. Really appreciate how in-depth this app is. It actually measures realistic goals. It takes into account your family history, even takes into account if you have back problems. Homegirl appreciates. I have a dislocated lumbar disc and it is not easy for me to just do any routine. I love that this app customizes their workout plan and their meal plan to you. I love that this isn't an app just about habit. They also offer behavioral results, activity plus your nutrition. They offer you recipes based off what you're craving. I get to look at healthy recipes that are catered to my body type, my style of living. They're not just like a weight loss app. They incorporate psychological tricks to change your personal triggers and routines. When it comes to weight loss, you have to really visualize and believe that it can happen. Fun fact, people that stick to this program tend to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. Just saying, it's pretty amazing. So I highly recommend you to go down below and take a free 30-second quiz at Noom.com and be sure to follow them on Instagram at Noom. Now this recipe does not look the prettiest, but it tastes so good and keeps me full, which is all I really care about. So for this recipe, all you're gonna need is 1/4 cup of oats. You're gonna mix in 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, then add about 3/4 cups of blueberries, any blueberries of your choice, 1 cup of almond milk, and then you're gonna have 2 tablespoons of almond butter, which I personally really love the creamy kind. Here is the nutritional value of it. I love this recipe, especially prior to my workouts. It keeps me feeling strong, full, satiated, and it's literally so easy. You could probably do this with your eyes closed. Seriously, go try it out. This recipe is divine. I had it so many times in Bali when I went on the trip. The best part is you can literally make it right at home and it's super simple. So first you're gonna start off by soaking some cashews overnight. You're gonna need 1 lemon and any fruits of your choice. My favorites for this recipe are mango and dragon fruit, pineapple, and papaya. Now this recipe makes about 4 servings, so you can always just start with 1 young coconut. Cut it and be careful when you do. Scoop out all the yummy coconut meat, and once you do that, pour in the coconut water into a blender. Then add your cashews. You can totally skip the soaking of the cashews, but this will make the recipe much creamier, and that way it's also more nutritious. Then squeeze some lemon into it for tartness. Add in the coconut meat. I would recommend some sweetener, whether it's coconut palm sugar or any sweetener of your choice. Blend it up until you get about this creamy consistency where it's not too runny but also smooth. And there you go, you're ready to decorate your plate. I usually like to eat this either for breakfast or sometimes even at lunch, or if I have a little bit of a sweet tooth as a snack throughout the day. There is no shame in this game, okay? I like to add some crumbled almonds for an extra bit of texture to the yogurt, and you guys, oh my god, this is the best yogurt recipe I've ever had, hands down. I could eat this all day, every day. Highly recommend you to try it out and send me your creations on IG. Now this is my favorite salad of all time. I eat this every day and seriously it doesn't get me tired. I constantly show you guys on my IG and call this one the only salad that doesn't suck. So for this one, all you're gonna need is your favorite kind of green. If you don't have one yet, seriously try out butter lettuce. I personally like to add cilantro in there, but if you don't like that, you can always just throw in any other green that you like. I add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. This gives the salad a little bit more consistency. Then I add nutritional yeast. Go crazy with the spices. I personally really love garlic in my salad, and these 3 things is what I found to make the base so much more flavorful. Smoked salt. This has changed my life. It makes every dish taste so much better because it gives it like that extra smoky flavor, which I love in my salads. Add some garbanzo beans, or you can use any beans that you like. And then you're gonna add some hummus. I get this fresh raw one at Whole Foods. I highly recommend it. It already smells amazing. And add your avocado. I squeeze it right in there from the skin. And then I finish it off with some smoked salt. And whenever I want to spice it up, I add some cauliflower chips in there or jicama tortillas, which are amazing. Also, aside from just eating this recipe alone, sometimes Dennis makes me some lemony salmon, and oh my god, this whole lunch or dinner is to die for. Seriously, go try it out. Tea, I love tea, but the good tea, the kind of tea that's good for your soul, your body, and your mind. So you're gonna get about a thumb of ginger, which has so many anti-inflammatory benefits, so good for the joints, improves your digestion, is good for your body. You want to add about 2 cups of water and boil these 2 together, and once you've done that, I add some lime. I also personally love squeezing some oranges in there. It makes the tea more fragrant and citrusy and just smells and tastes beautiful. Lastly, I add some honey for sweetness, and ta-da! Your nice relaxing aroma tea is done. I usually like to combine this one with a good book or sometimes even a nice bath. Did anyone say acai bowls? Okay. Oh my god, I used to Snapchat about this all the time. In a blender, throw in a mix of berries, half a banana. I get the Sambazon acai packs that are unsweetened. I add about 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. This is my favorite part, decorating it in my coconut bowl. Pretty good, therapeutic for me. This is about the consistency that you want, but honestly, if it gets a little more runny, it's just gonna be as good and taste more like a smoothie. Literally add any fruits that you want. There's no fruit combination I've tried that doesn't taste good with this one, so get creative. I also really love adding granola for an added crunch, some coconut flakes if you'd like. You can add cacao nibs, goji berries, chocolate chips, pretty much anything that you want. And lastly, add your favorite topping. This tastes so good with either almond butter or honey. And you are done. Enjoy a flavorful explosion of deliciousness in your mouth. Comment below which was your favorite recipe. I'm really curious to know. If you want to watch another video just like this one, be sure to click either of these two videos right over here. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. I love you guys. I'll let you know. I also have a vlog channel if you want to see more behind the scenes of this girl, unfiltered girl. Also, thanks so much to Noom once again for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check them out. Go down below, take their 30-second quiz, and also follow them on Instagram. I love you guys. Bye.